Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ori and the Blind Forest on Android. While there isn't a dedicated app for your phone, you can still enjoy this beautiful game through a couple of clever methods. We'll explore how cloud gaming services and streaming directly from your personal computer can bring Ori's magical world to your fingertips. Get ready to embark on an epic adventure, even when you're on the go, with just a few simple steps. One excellent way to play Ori on your Android device is through cloud gaming services. These platforms, such as Xbox Cloud Gaming, stream the game from powerful remote servers directly to your phone or tablet. This means your device acts as a screen and controller, with the heavy lifting done elsewhere. For a smooth experience, you'll need a fast and stable internet connection, ideally around 50 megabits per second, and a good Bluetooth controller is highly recommended for precise platforming. Another fantastic option is to stream Ori and the Blind Forest directly from your personal computer to your Android device. Applications like Steam Link or Moonlight allow you to mirror your PC's display and controls to your phone. This setup requires your computer to be running the game and both devices to be on the same local network. For optimal performance, ensure your PC meets the game's requirements and you have a robust Wi-Fi connection, preferably 5 GHz. To get the best possible experience playing Ori on your Android device, consider these tips. Always ensure your phone has plenty of battery or is plugged in, as streaming can be demanding. A high-quality, low-latency Bluetooth controller will make a significant difference in gameplay precision. Close any unnecessary background applications to free up your device's resources. Finally, play in an area with strong and stable Wi-Fi or mobile data signal to prevent any interruptions or lag during your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.